To add a background image in Card, you use the Site Appearance settings. This feature allows you to fully customize the visual style of your website by setting an image as the background. It is commonly used for branding, portfolio sites, landing pages, and personal pages where visual impact is important. Start by opening your Card dashboard and selecting the website you want to edit. Once you have chosen the correct site, click Edit Site to open the Visual Builder. This is where all design and layout changes are made. Inside the editor, locate the Appearance panel. This is usually represented by a paintbrush or styling icon. The Appearance panel controls global design settings such as fonts, colors, spacing, and background configuration. Once you open Appearance, scroll down until you find the Background section. By default, your site may be using a solid color or gradient background. To change this, you need to switch the background type. Select Image as the background type. This tells Card that instead of a plain color or gradient, you want to use a visual image across the entire page background. After selecting Image, you will be given options to upload a file or paste an image URL. You can upload an image directly from your device, or use a hosted link if your image is stored online. Once the image is added, Card will immediately apply it as your site background in the editor preview. From here, you can refine how the image appears on different screen sizes. You can adjust the fit setting, which controls how the image scales. Choosing Cover makes the image fill the entire screen, which is ideal for hero-style visuals. Choosing Contain ensures the full image is visible without cropping, but may leave empty space depending on screen size. You can also adjust position settings such as center, top, or bottom alignment. This helps you control which part of the image is emphasized, especially if the image contains a focal point like a person or product. For better readability, especially if you have text on top of the image, you can add an overlay color. This creates a semi-transparent layer over the image, improving contrast and making your content easier to read. After adjusting everything, preview your website in both desktop and mobile views to ensure the background image scales properly and looks visually balanced across devices. Once you are satisfied with the design, click Publish to apply the background image to your live Card website. And that's how you add a background image in Card. Open Appearance, choose Background Image, upload or link your file, adjust fit and position, add an overlay if needed, and publish your site for a polished visual design.